Hello, welcome to our 11th lesson. In this lesson, we will model the shape shown in the visual and learn two new commands, pattern and mirror in sketch mode. Let's begin by creating the base of our model. I start a sketch on the top plane and click on the straight slot command, starting the sketch from the origin. After dimensioning it, I use the extruded base command to give the sketch volume. Now we will work on the upper part. I open a sketch and select the top surface of the model. Using the offset command, I offset the lines inward by the required amount. Then, I use extruded base to add volume again. Next, I open a sketch on the top plane and use the offset command to move the lines inward. I use extruded cut to create the cutout. For the center holes, I start a sketch on the appropriate surface. I draw the circles, dimension them, and use extruded cut to create the complete holes. Now, let's make the surrounding holes. I open a sketch on the appropriate surface and use offset to find the center of the hole based on the radius. I draw the circle, dimension it, and use the circular pattern command to duplicate the circle. Then, I use the mirror command to mirror it along the right plane. After that, I use extruded cut to create the complete holes. Next, we'll add the indentations around the holes. I open a sketch on the appropriate plane, draw the circle, and dimension it. I use circular pattern to duplicate it again and mirror it. Then, I use extruded cut to create the indentation. Finally, I use the fillet command to round off the edges with the appropriate radius. Our model is now complete.